everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Cruisin for Susan car show. And this is Car Show Cam. This was a good little show. It was a little bit out of our area. It was up in Brunswick, Georgia. But there were a lot of cool cars out there. It was a bit on the small side, but you know, it was quality over quantity at this show. There were a lot of quality cars. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
I'm looking for the sign that says Satilla Grocery.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely no burnouts.
Yeah.
So where you want to park?
I figured I'd park it right about here.
Whatever. You don't want to park closer?
Well, let's go look.
Alright. You're going down the wrong way.
I don't care. There's plenty of room for somebody to get around me.
There's handicap parking right there.
Yeah. What do you think?
Up to you, dear. Is there parking over there?
Maybe.
They got their own photographer, looks like. Yeah, there's parking over there. Let's say curb only.
Probably because they had people parking in the marked off spots.
Uh-huh. Oh, there's their curbside pickup. You're not in the lines.
Not?
No. Or those aren't parking spots at the end. That car's just, yeah, it is. That car's parked in a parking spot.
Alright, then we'll park right there beside it.
Fine.
Suction cup. Get it up there before we leave so I don't have to do it
Yeah.
while I'm driving.
That one was splitting.
But I was looking.
Yeah. Straight back, dear.
Curb.
Uh-huh.
Hang on.
What?
I'm gonna get a straight shot on that instead of having to come around that stupid curb.
Okay.
And I guess I can just hang a Yui right here. What do you think?
Yeah. That's a nice Ford there.
Yeah. Got pictures of him a minute ago.
Yeah.
Why they thought they had to put a concrete curb right there.
Yeah.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Cruisin for Susan car show in Brunswick, Georgia. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We enjoyed being at this show. So, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give us a like, comment, share, even subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. That would really help out the channel. We're trying to get to our initial 500 monetization goal. We're halfway there. We need your help to make it. So, like, subscribe, comment, share. Share us around to all your car people. Share us around to your non-car people. They might enjoy it too. We don't discriminate on this channel. So, anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.